Studies, attention. Check your lines. Take 1 hour distance. Start the prayer.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Pledge. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all the elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In the well-being and prosperity alone, and lies my happiness. Hands down. Thought. Good morning, all of you. My name is Harman Singh. I reading third class. Today thought is you are only limited if you. I repeat my thought. You are only limited if you. Thank you. Have a nice day. GK question. Good morning to all of you. My name is Navneet Kaur. Today's my GV questions are: what is the Japan also known as? This is the wrong answer. The answer is the land of rising sun. Second question is: who was the first president of America? The answer is George Washington. The third question is: who was the first Asian to be awarded the Nobel Prize? This is the right answer. Fourth question is: what is the full form of RAM? This is the right answer. Fifth question is: who is the finance minister of India? This is the wrong answer. The answer is Arun Jaitley. The sixth question is: what is the full form of Which country is known as the land of cakes? This is the wrong answer. The answer is Scotland. PT exercise. First exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise change. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Birthday student. Principal starts speech.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
My dear students, as I told you yesterday, that you must be in proper uniform and dress up yourself well, clean your face, nails and hair. Every time you should feel fresh. And during the game period also, you should take care of your dress. Don't play rough, don't play wild. Smooth play, and also in the playground also you must use English language so that you can know how to use words for games. If you don't know any word, you may ask the DP teacher what we should ask for that, what we should say for that. So please take care of spoken English also. Be very strict with that, every teacher and the students. Today I am here to announce your Echo Club members, and tomorrow we will have the trial, and Monday we will award the badges and their scarf for Echo Club. And also every child must bring one plant, either flower plant or vegetable plant or maybe a tree plant, and we will plant that trees and plants on the award ceremony of the announcement of the Echo Club. So these are the students. So be ready. Monday they must be present. If they are absent, I will give that badge to any other. That's why I am announcing today in advance, 2-3 days advance. You must come in proper uniform. And also you must bring one plant also. So please, teacher name I will announce first. Parminder Kaur, Madam is the chairperson of Echo Club. Komal Jain is the director. Payal is the executive director. So give a clap for them. And from the students, Janvi is the president. Sukhmanpreet is secretary. Amanpreet Kaur Gill, coordinator. Damanpreet Kaur, coordinator. And there are names which announced after that are members. Amito Singh Brad, member. Gurleen Kaur, member. Jasdeep Singh, member. Kirandeep Kaur, member. Abjot Singh, member. Balpreet Singh, member. Sukhmanpreet Kaur, member. Ramandeep Kaur, member. Egampreet Kaur, member. Molly is member. And Jaspreet Kaur of 3rd standard is member. So tomorrow there will be a meeting of this club secretary, president, chairperson and the members. and we will decide how the program should be conducted. So please listen it, and it will be displayed in the notice boards also. So continue with the program.
National anthem. Start.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे